If you've ever dreamed of making money online in your sleep, then you better listen up. I'm breaking down the most profitable digital products that you can start selling today. That's right, today, not like later on and you got to do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm talking about as soon as after you watch the video. Hi, I'm Christina. I am a 7-year vet in the brick and mortar game. Retired, gone digital. So we're going to go over digital products that you can sell. And I have a bonus at the end of the video that is going to help you make sure that you execute it today. Digital products are something that you create one time and then you sell it, you resell it over and over, but you put your effort and energy into making it one time. That's it. You can update it as you go along, or you can just create another one. If you're in any industry at any scale level, you can sell digital products. There's something for everyone. The first one I have is widely known, ebooks. Hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. They can never go out of style. Okay, why can they never go out of style? Because what you have in your brain that you know that you haven't given to the world is missing. So they can never go out of style. It's not oversaturated. Don't be like, oh, everybody has an ebook. Everybody doesn't have an ebook, especially on your subject. That's the thing. You have to find something different. Find something that's coming from yourself, not chat GBT, and actually convey it, bring it out. The world is missing that. An ebook is a downloadable book that can educate people on a certain subject. Or it also can solve a problem, because some ebooks are shorter than others. It might just solve a simple problem versus covering a whole subject. It's something that someone can look at on their cell phone. People can access quickly versus going to Barnes & Noble or the library. As soon as they see the link, they can access it. Why are ebooks profitable? Because they're super low cost to produce, and you can sell them on your own platform, meaning like Wix, Shopify, PayHip. It just depends on the processing fees, which varies by each website. Just a quick tips about ebooks though. Like I was saying, find your niche. What is it that you know? Not some AI stuff. Find something that you know, because that way you can talk about it longer. The longer you can talk about it, the more that you feel like you're an expert on it, the more you'll be able to market it. Because anybody could just write an ebook about something. Let me try to pick something I don't know about. A weave. I might be able to write an ebook about weave, and I don't know the clue about it. So how would I market it and talk about it fluently? It doesn't make sense. Pick something that you know and is pertinent to your niche, and that's how you're gonna get your ebook to sell. Use an ebook cover design tool like Canva. If you're hiring a professional, which I do recommend you do if you have the budget, make sure they use Photoshop. Online courses. I know these work personally because I've sold them. So especially for my service-based providers, if y'all have that skill, which of course you do, that's why you're a service-based provider, turn it into an online digital course. Teach others how to do your skill. Don't be afraid that they'll take over and you're like, oh no, if I teach everybody how to do it, then everybody do it and I won't have everybody go to me. That's the wrong way of thinking. This is an online digital course. You're spreading the information to others. You're helping other people. It doesn't have to be a service provider. You can break down any skill that you have into different courses. You're going to use different modules. Make sure you have different titles and slowly tell people how to do your skill, what you know how to do. It offers a guided learning experience. Here's a key selling point about courses. They should cost a lot more than an ebook. Okay, so in terms of price points, your ebook should be down here and your course should be up here. They should not be the same price. You're giving them much more time in the course. You want to convey it in a price as well. Start off with an outline. That way you know what all you need to record and need to film. Otherwise you can turn your day of recording into like weeks if you don't if you don't have an outline. Where do I put my class? There's plenty of platforms. There's Teachable, there's Kartra, there's Thinkific, Kajabi. There's a lot. I personally like Kajabi, and I'll have a link for you in the caption for you to sign up with Kajabi. You don't have to use it. You can use whichever one you want to use. Just do your research. You can use School, the other school, SKOOL. There's tons of different platforms to host your actual courses on. Online memberships. Online membership sites are huge right now. And I know this personally, again, because I have one. I have an online community. Besides that, I'm inside of tons of people online community because I'm an online person. So I'm just in all these different online communities. So what are membership sites? It's a subscription-based membership. Let's say you have 5 people in there and they're all giving you $5. So you made $25 for the month. The goal of online memberships is to give them good information that's not available somewhere else. So you can't give them just information that's plastered everywhere. You want to give them the tea. This is your online, this is your personal VIP. You want to give them everything. Wait, I still got to give you a definition to write down. It's a subscription-based model for digital products where members pay a monthly reoccurring fee for ongoing content, videos, community, or support, or all. You can give them all three if you want. Just make sure your price point reflects that. So once again, if you're giving them more, you want to make sure that you charge more. If you're giving them less, then charge less. It's your online business, so there's really no right or wrong way to choose what you pick in there. Why would a membership be profitable if you only have one person in there? Because you have to keep going. Once you keep going and keep telling others about it and you grow your community, it's super profitable because now you have people paying you on a monthly basis, like a bill. So you'll keep getting that monthly recurring revenue in. Quick tips about memberships. So you have to stay engaged with them. Please don't do a membership if you're not going to be engaged with them. The landscaping company just was mowing grass way too loud and I couldn't even focus while I was recording. So now it got dark outside, but I am committed to finishing my video. Back to membership sites. So membership site will not be profitable if people are constantly leaving it. They're not on a contract. If you're not providing lives, something extremely consistent, then they're going to exit out of there and you won't be making any money. You won't be having a community to teach what you're wanting to teach or just provide a safe space. It won't be there because you're not keeping up with them. So memberships are a great idea. Just be sure to keep up. Platforms to consider, there's so many. You can do School Again, you can do Mighty Networks, you can do Circle, or you can also actually do a free private Facebook group, or you can do it manually where you charge them before they enter your Facebook group. I do have some affiliate links in the caption for different networks for you to sign up for to host your community. Printables and templates. People love these. I myself download probably at least 3 templates a day. Printables and templates are downloadable planners, templates, guides, checklists that people can download instantly. They can either keep them on their iPad or they can also print them. A lot of people like to write things out the old-fashioned way. Let's say you got a checklist for them of things that they need to do to be productive for the day. On the checklist, you'll have it where they can physically check it off with a pencil, or they can use their tablet pencil and check it off on there, or they can print it and do it that way too. But that's a great profitable one because once again, it's low cost startup and then you just sell it over and over again. A great place to create these would be Canva. Photoshop. Canva already has templates on there. Just similar design tools to that. You want to make sure that you focus on a niche because you don't want to overwhelm people where it's giving flea market and they come to it and they're like, what do I get? What do I get? It's too much for someone. Now, great place to sell these are Etsy. It's so popular on Etsy. High quality stock photos or videos. So right now I'm only talking to those that are good with the camera. If you're good, if you have a updated iPhone and you're good with this thing, or if you're a photographer, it's not for people that can't take pictures. Now, we don't want to sell people crap. So if you're really good at taking pictures, you don't even have to be a professional. Like I just said, you can use your phone. Take stock photos and you can sell them online. A stock photo just means like a high quality. So you got the quality turned up on your phone, high quality image or short clip that people can purchase and then they'll reuse it with the rights from you on their website, social media. They might need it just for just a picture of a hand. And you literally have a picture of a hand. They might be a manicurist and they might need pictures of hands. So with you selling the stock photo to them, they're able to use it on their website and make a professional looking website. All these are super popular, especially with the rise and people wanting their websites to look professional. As a tip, I would do diverse office scenes. Think corporate. Think of B2B, which is business to business versus business to consumer. So think of things corporations might need a stock photo of that they don't want to go out and do a photo shoot for. So they're saving money by just buying your stock picture. So this is a really good one for those that are good with the camera. This one we're going to, pretty much everyone can do this one. Coaching and consulting packages digitally. So not everyone can been doing this for 20 years, but you're good at something. You to yourself are an expert at something, anything. You can offer your advice up. All you need is a link, a calendar, or a link where people can book their time with you. Whatever's easy for you and allows for your own schedule to make your money digitally. You'll be helping tons of people with something that you are good at, and you'll help them because they have the questions. Consulting is personalized advice or strategy sessions delivered via Zoom or phone, FaceTime, however you would like. They also can be delivered via email, because I got some people that I don't want to get on camera, I'm shy. You don't have to. You could just deliver your advice back to them in an email. Why are these profitable? You can charge premium price on your expertise. I said pick something that you are an expert at. So you're the expert at it. They are needing help from you. If they couldn't get you to help them, they might have to go pay a 4-year college. They might have to spend months researching it themselves, trying to find it for free, when all they got to do is book a call with you and you're going to tell them the answer. Consulting is very important. Now wait, before I give y'all this tea, I want y'all to subscribe to my channel, because I have lots of other videos helping you with your digital business and your digital products. Nobody else is going to tell you this one. When you do your one-on-one consulting, once it grows, do group consulting. Okay? Group consulting. If you got 20 Zooms and 20 calls a day, how would you even be able to schedule that? Put them on a group call. Therefore, someone might even have a question that the other person didn't even ask, and their brains all get to turning. Now you're helping people on a higher level because they're all feeding off each other. They're brainstorming. Let's say 10 people got the same question. You're answering all of them at the same time, getting more ideas of higher level questions because they're hearing other people. When y'all are able to upgrade, I want to see that done too. Good place to host your link would be any type of scheduling software. This one has been really popular lately everywhere. White label and licensed content. White label products. That's where you create contents that others can sell and rebrand to tailor to their own brand. They can tailor what you're selling them to their own brand so that it fits their own target audience. You're gonna make them done for you, blog posts, course slides, captions. You can make planners. The list is endless. But what you want to do is make it all the way through, because it's done for you. So it's done for your client. So you'll make it all the way through. And then once they purchase it from you, let's say yours is green and yellow and their brand colors are blue and white. What they will do is take yours and change the colors on it, because you sold them the template, and all they have to do is just change the colors and add their name. You're telling them it's white label. You're not telling them do not change this. You're not saying have it copywritten. You're telling them on purpose, hey, y'all can change this. This is white label. This is also known as PLR. So you can also make your own entire website and have it dedicated to all PLR content, where you're allowing business owners and people to come in, purchase it, and just change it and tweak it a little bit to their liking. All right, so I promised I would give y'all the tea. So the best place to sell your PLR is actually a membership site. Remember we talked about memberships earlier? So let's say you have tons of content for them to choose from. Sell on a PLR membership site. So yourcompanyname.com, and then the person can log in and choose from a vast array of all white label content that you made. And they're in there monthly. So now that you know the top digital products for you to sell today, how will you execute it? So I want you to use your resources. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to make these. Use things like Zoom. Google Docs will save your life, because you want to save your work that you're doing. And then they also have those Excel style sheets on there too. Google Docs has a lot of other buttons on there that a lot of people don't click on. So be sure to just check it out in full. It's free. Use the free version of Canva. When you're ready to upgrade to the premium version. This is you just starting something. You have to start somewhere. You can't just keep having excuses and saying it's not ready yet. I also recommend that you validate quickly. Survey your audience. See what they want. Don't waste your time making hours and days into or thousands of dollars into something that people aren't wanting to buy right now. If it's one of those things where no one's interested, just can that for now. Come back to it one day if you want. But right now, you want to look for something that people actively want to purchase. You also want to use your own marketing channels. That's going to be your email list. You want to also use social media. I have a video much more in depth about marketing. So from ebooks to white label content to even taking pictures with photos, there's tons of digital products that you can start selling today. Which one was your favorite? Now, if you need more ideas, just comment below and I will respond back. Tell me what you're good at. I want to know, because then I can hit you back with a really good idea of what you can do as far as one of these digital products. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. That way you don't miss a thing. All right, I'll see you on the next video.